started.
I just started it.
And cleared your throat like that.
I was gonna edit that out. Hey guys, today is Wednesday, January 24th, and we're on our way back home from Delaware. We're just coming back from a meeting with our financial advisor / accountant and all that good stuff. Yeah, he's really cool. So we thought we would share a little bit of advice that he gave us, which I thought was really interesting because, well, it opened up my eyes. So basically, a lot of you know, Alex has a business / nonprofit, and him and his partner, you know, want to do some things. Tuck this in, all in the camera. They want to do some things, you know, to like make some changes to their studio possibly, and just, you know, build, you know, yeah, expand, all that stuff. So luckily for them, ever since they started out, when they first started out with their studio, they never had to take a business loan. They were able to just use the money they had. I like to add, that was not luck. That was pure work. Yeah, thank God. There you go. You know, they didn't have to take out a loan or anything, and they wanted to continue that. They're like, every time they consider, you know, possibly getting a business loan, they're like, but we made it this far without a loan. We need to at least, you know, see what we can do. Let's just keep trying. Let's just figure it out. And they always just come back to that, you know, conclusion. So Lex asked our financial advisor, yeah, like what his opinion was on a business loan, because, you know, for a lot of people it can be so scary, but for other people they think it's the answer to everything they need, and then they end up in a lot of debt. So he basically said, you know, what you should do first, since you have a nonprofit, is, you know, try to attain grants first. And, you know, if you get rejected by those grants, find out why, or, you know, assess what you might need to do differently in order to get the money the next time. But if a grant comes back with, oh, you guys didn't get the money because you didn't have 4 rooms, or you didn't get the grant because you didn't have a certain type of computer, or whatever the case is, and that way, you know, when it's time for you guys to go get the loan, it can be very specific as far as what you're going to use that money for. So I was like, wow, that's really good, because, you know, when you get a loan, let's say you get a small business loan for $20,000. $20,000 is a lot of money. Like, it's a lot of money to borrow, but when you have it, it doesn't feel that way, because now it's, oh, we can do this, we can change that, we can buy this thing, oh, we can get 5 computers now, like all this kind of stuff. Everything is possible, and before you know it, $20,000 is $200 and your payments are due. And you have no way to pay that money back. So yeah, when you have a plan as to what you need first, and not just, oh, I need money to grow, or money, like you gotta have a specific goal in mind, not just this broad idea of what you want to happen. Yeah, so that was basically all that he said that we can really share that would be relevant to anybody that's not us, you know, and not paying our bills. Who cares, you know? You know, we could. Oh shoot, the camera's about to die. You know how making a list and everything, the list of things that you're buying and everything, listing everything out, that is another. Oh, a budget? Yeah. Oh yeah, he was like, you know, a budget shouldn't really be about, you know, what you can and can't do, because he's like, I'm not here to tell you you can't pay for this, you can't, oh, you shouldn't be spending money on this, you shouldn't be spending money on that. He takes the approach of, okay, you can spend X amount of dollars on that, but that just means that you have to spend this much money here, or you can't spend this much money over here. So it's all about give and take, you know, and depending on what your goals are, like for example, if you're saving for a home, then it's like, okay, you can spend $500 a month on shoes, but it's going to take you that much longer to get a house. So, and if your time frame is 6 months to a year, then okay, it'll just take you a little longer. So, and I like that approach. That's way better than feeling like somebody is like, you spent $10 on Chipotle. That screen and see and be like, yeah, and it makes you feel like embarrassed, like you go into the principal's office, like, yeah, oh my God, I'm in trouble. I hate talking about my money to people that. But he makes it really easy, because I mean, I don't think he's much older than we are. He might even be the same age as us, but he's very smart, and he's very like open to hearing us and what we like have to say, and it's just a really easy situation to be in. But I feel like if he was like our parents' age or something, they'd probably be like, you don't need to be spending money on that. You shouldn't be spending money on this, and all of a sudden like everything is, should I be buying that? Should I be buying this?
Side note, Ebony keeps turning the damn heat up in my car.
It's cold.
It is not cold. This car heats fast.
Oh, and this was funny. We're sitting in a meeting. Alex is scratching his leg like a freaking cat or a dog.
Oh,
I could hear,
there we go. That's what we could talk about.
him scratching.
That's what
and it was like.
So Ebony, one thing that you don't know about
the camera cut off on you.
One thing you don't know about Ebony is she can't take any noise. I'm talking minor noises you won't notice. They're like on 100.
I know, it's like
dog ears
10
or something.
On level 10 in my ears, and I'm feeling like everyone in the room can hear, and he's just like.
I scratched myself one time, and that's all.
No, he remembers though. You don't realize you do it a lot.
You see, she's about to lie for another person. Look,
no, I was gonna say he doesn't remember. You don't realize you do it a lot.
I do realize what I do.
And then like his shoulders like moving up and down while he's doing
it. I did scratch myself, which is a normal human thing. I'm sure y'all say in the comments.
I feel like he's scratching the skin of his leg, like he's so itchy. You gotta start putting lotion on your legs.
I'll start scratching the bone. I'll start scratching the bone on my legs.
But like, you know how people scratch through their pant? You like raise your pant leg
up. This is what I have to do. This is look. So look, this is why you hear a lot of men saying, "I just be having to ignore her because I got to scratch." Like if I'm itchy,
don't scratch the skin. Not when we in an office.
First of all, I didn't scratch the skin.
Everybody can hear your dry skin hitting the floor.
First of all, it was my pants that I was scratching. No, I didn't have shorts on.
I couldn't tell.
That's because you were zoned in for some reason. But anyway, y'all will probably see it on future episodes. If there's a baby or something in the room, if there's neighbors upstairs, if there's any noise that she didn't make, she can't deal.
I know, it's a bad habit. Well, I don't say it's a bad habit. It's more like, yeah, I guess, yeah.
That's why I ignore it.
But I try to like not focus, but sometimes I just can't help it. Can't help it.
I'll be itching.
Oh well. Yeah, put the lotion on your legs. Put it on your legs and not just on your face. Because I got a lotion myself already.
That's lotion me. I rub your back sometimes.
Sometimes.
And put oil on it.
That ain't got nothing to do with you
can do my
lotion.
legs.
It's the winter time. You need to put your lotion
massage
on.
For a leg rub. What y'all think?
No.
What y'all think? We use the oils and all that. What y'all think? I think one massage should equal 5 lotion applications.
You're not a child. I'm not lotioning your legs.
Rubbing my legs.
Like a baby. Gotta rub you down.
Yeah, I like it.
No. Alright, this camera's about to die.
Alright, bye y'all. Made me take off my jacket, because what noise was it making? Look, what I tell y'all, she cannot do noises, y'all. I wasn't even making noise. She said, take it off. It just makes too much noise.
It was.
Oh my gosh. What are we up to?
So we'll make some aloe vera, I guess it's called toner or whatever, for my face. You can use it too.
What does it do to your face?
It gets rid of acne scars and makes your skin like moisturized.
Moisturize? Well, what else is going in this mix?
So it's just aloe vera gel inside of here, and then I guess 1 lemon. I found the recipe on Pinterest, but it didn't say like how much. It just said lemon juice and aloe vera gel. So this is what I use for my hair. I'm gonna cut this little tip off here because it's all dry. That's better. Yeah, so I'm gonna let you cut this part since I had to do it last time.
What?
Remember I was cutting it in the video and scooping out the stuff? I want you to do it. Let's see if you can do it. And then we'll put it in this,
I don't remember.
Blend it up.
I wasn't like looking at what you were doing when I was...
You watched the video.
I know. I watched. I wasn't like trying to learn though. I was just like...
That's easy. All you do is cut off the strips, you know, scoop it out.
Just go ahead. Why don't you go ahead and do that?
Can't... Oh my God. Let me get a spoon.
The real reason I want to do it is because my nails aren't done. You see that?
That ain't no reason.
That's not my reason?
No.
I could do it, but that's what
you want to?
Nah. I said I could. I said I could.
Alright, cut the ends off like this. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a little bit, well, quite a bit of acne scars on my cheeks. Do you notice them?
No.
Are you sure?
Let me see them.
Acne scars.
Sorry.
No, don't zoom in on that.
I wasn't zooming in on that. I didn't have nothing in the picture 2 seconds ago. Because you were talking about your acne scars.
Oh my God. Okay, so just stay there. Next time I'm doing this alone.
What do you think I suggested?
I wanted you to be included.
You ain't saying nothing that's making me mad. So I'm going to do it alone. Great.
Man.
Oh, that's why you want me to do it. It gets messy. Let me touch it. Alright, it feels like I'm touching ice.
But that's because it was in the refrigerator.
Oh God, this looks so sexual.
Okay.
Okay, I believe you.
Alright, so just scoop out the inside. This is so much easier the other day. I should have took this out of the refrigerator. Get this little green stuff off. So yeah, I used this on my hair in my previous video, and I started reading more about what aloe vera gel and stuff does for your skin. So I was like, let's see if this helps with acne scars. I think it's the lemon juice that's really supposed to help with acne scars. So I'm gonna blend this first, and then I'm gonna put half of it, I'm gonna split it into these little 2 containers. Half of it's gonna be regular aloe vera, and the other half is gonna have the lemon juice in it, just in case the lemon juice is too harsh for my face. I'll have some plain aloe vera ready to go. Blend this for a minute. Be plain one. Is that a chunk?
That's a lot.
Alright. So now cut up this lemon. I need an end to squeeze.
Oh, you're squeezing it? I thought you were just putting it in.
No. Oh, I think a seed went in there. I guess that's enough. Not too much. Alex! Alright, that's good. That's good! Oh my God. It smells like straight lemons. That's what it looks like.
What's the other one? Put it next to it.
This one's a tad bit more yellow. But, yeah, this foam is gonna like dissolve. After a while.
Maybe nobody drank it. Maybe it evaporated.
Yeah, that's it. I want to put this on my face. It says 3 times a week. What are you laughing at?
How much you hate when I say that?
Yeah, no. It's from, what, Barbershop?
Yeah.
It's so old. It's not even funny. Like, this
It's
wasn't
funny.
even funny.
Yo, it's so funny because you get so mad. Oh, God. If y'all don't know, matter of fact,
Talk to the camera.
the camera don't love me today, boy. That thing turned around on me. Nah, if y'all know what movie that's from now.
I just said it.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
If you know what scene,
Remember the
if
scene.
you know what scene is from, write it in the comments.
They're gonna be like, what is he talking about?
She'll send you something.
No. I was in
She'll send you
DVD at a barbershop.
Yeah, gonna get you something. Get you something.
But yeah, I'm gonna put this on my face. You said 3 times a week, I think. 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash it off. So, and then put a moisturizer on after that. So hopefully it'll help with my little acne scars. I didn't even notice were there until. Like,
Let's get up close and look at them.
why?
Just
This is just fun to do.
Yeah.
And just, you know, this is what Pinterest does to you. It just makes you do stuff.
Ain't no acne
Experiment with
scars.
things. Didn't even get it.
I got what I wanted.
All right. I think this will be end of the vlog because you're about to leave. And it's got to go up tonight.
Aww.
So say your goodbye.
Bye, y'all.
Here, let me film you.
I knew it. What do we want to talk about?
The Grammys.
I didn't watch it. Kendrick won. I don't know why people were surprised about Jay-Z losing.
Yeah, that album was not mainstream,
Yeah.
like radio play, nothing. It was a good album, but that was the album for Jay-Z and Beyonce
Yeah,
and for their fans.
People were talking about it in the studio. I was like, I don't think Jay was surprised that his
Me either.
Black business
I knew-
album didn't get a Grammy from.
I know, and I knew Bruno was gonna win everything.
Oh, yeah, that's another
His
thing.
whole album was like,
Yo, people were like, in the studio, people were like, Bruno Mars. I'm like, are y'all kidding
Yes.
me? I'm like, who don't know these songs? Like,
anytime you hear someone's song being played in a commercial for like something like a phone or sneakers or something major, a major brand, they're gonna win an award. Trust me.
that's pretty much how-
Now I was disappointed that SZA didn't win Best New Artist because a lot of people were like Alessia Cara, I think that's her name. Like she's not new. She's had songs on the radio since 2014, and they say that the Grammys definition of Best New Artist is someone who hasn't been nominated, period, for a Grammy. So it don't matter how long you've been putting music out. But I feel like SZA had the bigger year. Like her
Shoot, sis,
Love
put the music out
Galore.
for a while too, though.
She has, but Love Galore was on the radio constantly. Then The Weeknd, and now Broken Clocks. Like that whole album is good, but she had a much bigger year.
This is no shot, but I think we're looking at that from a black perspective also. Just to put that out there.
I guess. Yeah, I don't really listen to.
Because SZA was there for us, but I don't know how much play she getting on the mother stations. But
Yeah, that's true.
anyway, yeah,
About to leave.
about to leave.
All right. Well, yeah, and I'm about to get some food or
Get low.
maybe work on another video for the channel.
Have y'all tried the new Taco Bell fries?
Oh yeah, the Taco Bell fries are good.
Yeah,
they're
and we're
good.
greedy.
They're good.
She got them before me. I'm a little surprised.
Yeah, I was too. All right, we need to say goodbye for this camera cut off because it will cut off on us.
It's not cutting off. It's good.
No, we need to go.
We go at
You
least
gotta
5
go.
more minutes.
No, you need to go.
Let's do a
anyway.
stare challenge.
This is not entertaining to watch. They don't want us staring at them. All right. We'll see you later.
Hold your breath. Let's see who can hold their breath longer. Me or you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got cheated? You doing it too?
No, I'm about to cut.
We gonna hold our
camera
breath. Ready?
Alex,
You
nobody's
breathing.
watching
You
this.
breathing.
How do I know
You
you're not
breathing.
breathing? Bye.
Bye.